Hmm?
Not you. You're going to your grandma. She don't like us.
Hey, I'll go to sleep.
Okay.
I'll just tell them.
People do like me after all.
You want me to burp?
Yeah.
Excuse me.